I'm gonna teach you a fusing method to get this new legendary pet, Chef Monkey. Very easy and very cheap, but I don't have any pet to fuse because I already use it. I fuse it. All you need to do is to have 10 clover fairy and fuse them. You will get rainbow chef monkey, and I will try to fuse 3 of them to see what we will get. Oh, a doodle unicorn. Yeah, this is not clickbait. You will really get this pet chef monkey on fusing 10 clover fairy, and you need to have it golden 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 clover fairy. You need 10 of them to fuse a one chef monkey. I will let you see that I'm not clickbaiting because my money is really small and I can't buy it. It's really expensive. Here, it's 32M there, and here is 128 million. And today I got scam from Please Donate Me. He said he will give me 50 Robux for a 1 billion gem and 2 exclusive pets. Now I only have small diamond gems. Only this and this and this. Yeah, I got scammed, and I didn't even got in the last place. In the last place, I didn't get in here, so I'm not really clickbaiting because if I'm here, I will get money. So yeah, try the method on fusing 10 golden clover fairy and thank me later. Goodbye, guys.